this is the terminal for our trading. This terminal name is CubePlus and it is powered by TradeGenie. So TradeGenie is the company name. Now first we'll start with option selling and option chain. So we have made it very easy for people to access the option chain. So first of all, they can go here. They can pin any of the index they want to trade or they frequently trade. So here is the pin feature. You click on it. You can select in spot one Bank Nifty and in spot two you can select anything. So here we have selected Nifty 50. So suppose you want to trade in option chain related to Bank Nifty, you come in Bank Nifty here and you get the option chain in 2 clicks. So this is the beauty of the platform. So now suppose Nifty 50, you click here, you go to option chain, you get all the options there. Now we'll look at the feature that is very useful for the buyers. Previously, we looked at the settings which was useful for the sellers, like executing the basket mode without naming it and without saving it. Just come select your strike price and execute it. And the buy leg goes first and then the selling legs. Continuing forward for the benefit, what option traders, basically option buyers has in this terminal is, like option terminal, we provide a specific chart terminal for all the option buyers. And the beauty of this platform is you can come here, add script. Suppose Bank Nifty we will select today and we'll go to option here. We click on the strike prices we want to trade. So I'm selecting at the money and in the money strike price for both call and put. We come here. Now if suppose I come here and enable this, this will be by default not enabled. We have to go here and enable it due to safety purposes. And once we click enable on single click order, now the thing is we can come here if you want to execute 150 order, just click buy and it will execute the order and in one click it will close the order as well. So this is useful for the traders, especially option buyers who trade expiry last 30 minutes, for the delta and the gamma effects where even 1 second delay can miss you like 10, 20, 100% of moment, like premium jumping from 1 to 3 directly. So in that cases, this kind of order executing system helps you a lot, and you can add up to like 20 strike prices here, so that is decent. Second thing coming up, if you go here, if you select suppose Bank Nifty index, if I click this, now you can see one thing out here is you can check the chart here and you can execute the order, and even you can close and minimize this. So when the markets, right now the market is closed, it is around like 350 right now. You can see the time here. So when the markets are open, even you can check the opening and the closing price with the spot current price running here. So that will help you executing order looking at the charts. And again, out here you can see your MTM, realized profit, unrealized profit, used margin, available margin, and your open position and the close position, and yeah, etc. So this helps to stay in one screen and execute any kind of order you want without hopping to different screen again. And from one place you can modify and exchange everything you want. Second thing is you can filter the option. Right now, I don't have any open position, but suppose you have multiple expiry open position and you only want to look at Nifty 50 position. In that case, what you can do is you can come here, filter it, and you can set it according to your call buys, call sell, call buy, put buys, put sell, call sell, indexes and assets. So different assets and the nature, you can select it to filter your options, which will make it clean and it will be easy for you to manage your big positions. So this was about the option buying, and I hope you have enjoyed this. And now, next video we'll learn about equity, what CubePlus offers to the traders who trade in equity. Yeah, thank you. Going forward, we can expand this option chain. Now, this is useful for the people who basically likes to trade hardcore in option and they require option chain time to time. So here is the one-click option terminal access. As soon as you click on this, it will take you to the new tab. Now basically you can see the screen here. Here you can get all the details of the option. In one click you can enable the Greeks and one click you can disable the Greeks as well. This is applicable in the previous window as well, as you can see. Now I will explain you the basket mode feature in the option terminal. It can be accessed in this small terminal as well as big terminal. So here as you see I created a basket with one click. I can add the desired strike price I want to add, and then what we can do is we can multiply the lots. So for example, if I want to execute 10 lots of each strike price, I've just come here and I've clicked 1 0 and it multiplies everything into 10. Similar way if I go for 100, it means everything 5,000. As you can see here, we can see the slices. So what are the slices? Basically, when like exchange has specified rules. So for example, in Nifty, you can only execute 1800 quantities and in one order, correct? So what we do is from our end, we slice the order. Now in slicing, you don't have to do anything. It will execute all 5,000 orders, but in the slices form, that is 1800, 1400 form. So now you click here, execute and market, click yes. All your 18,000 orders has gone through. You can go and check it out here. So all your orders that was placed has gone in the form of 1400, 1800 form. Yeah. Now, second thing here to notice is buying is going first and second the selling. Now, this is helpful for the trader who uses hedge for this position. So basically, hedge it, what it does is basically it reduce your margin. So one sell leg requires 1 lakh of margin. After adding a hedge or a buy leg, you reduce your margin by good amount of money. So suppose now you require only 40,000. So what we do is basically we push the order in exchange. First the buy leg goes through and then the sell leg goes through. So automatically, if your funds in the accounts are little less, maybe suppose you require 1,40,000, but you have only 1,10,000 rupees, and the post margin trade is only like suppose 70, 80,000 rupees. Now what you can do is you can execute the order. It will not be rejected. So first buy legs goes and then the sell legs. So hedge is first sent into the account. So even with the low margin, you will be able to place the order. So this is the beauty of using the basket mode. And second thing is you don't have to save the basket and rename it. So that is also a plus point. Out here it works same. You come here, you click on buy, you click on sell. It adds the basket, it multiplies the lot, and you can execute at market. Similar way. Moving on in this terminal, as you can see your open position, your open orders. You can even filter these things out. So basically, in one place, you see all your details, and this is helpful for the traders who don't like switching the screens again and again. And for the option trader, it's very important to keep the check if their orders are going through, if their orders are closed, and what are their PNL state. So everything you get to see in one place, and you don't need to hop to other places to check the different details. Coming up next, we can see here that the expiries you have here is huge. So we allow in Nifty 50 to go up till 28 December 2008, and you can see you have all the strike prices available out here. With one click, you can change your expiry asset, and with one click, you can even change the expiry settings. So this is the beauty. The main motive is to reduce the number of clicks and the faster access of the data to the traders. So this was about the option chain on option terminal. Welcome everyone. So in this video, we'll understand what CubePlus and TradeGenie has to offer you in the equity side. Previously, we have seen the option benefit that you will get while executing order on CubePlus. So continuing everything ahead, now for equity traders, we have boiled down the platform to the very core. We have tried the best to give all the data that equity trader requires to trade an equity segment. So number one is the beautiful feature that we offer is a seasonality chart. So basically this chart tells you the overall movement of the stock. Suppose we'll select Kotak Bank today. Yeah. So suppose selecting on Kotak Bank, what we can do is we can see one seasonality chart here. Basically, this is saying from 2014 till 2024, what was the return of the stock on the year and the month wise. So in 2014, we can see that on January 2014, the stock gave minus negative return of like 9.6%, whereas on Feb 2014, it gave a positive return of 4.5%. Now, cumulative, if we see for Kotak Bank, January, February, March is not a favorable month, but April and May is a good month. So, this kind of data will help you to confidently take position based on your other analysis. Now, what happens? Suppose you are a technical trader and you see any kind of bullish setups happening to the end side of the March in Kotak Bank. Now you can come here and look at the data. Oh, okay, April and May is the good time to buy this stock. So instead, add stock on March time when the stock prices are less and you get a bullish signal there. So this kind of data, helps you to pick this stock confidently. And also, if you have 10 stocks in your portfolio, it will help you to filter out like 4, 5, 6 stocks, and you can pick up that quality three stocks which will give you the highest return possible. Returns are again not promised, it is subjected to market risk. But again, the data are important in the market, and we know that this data will definitely help you. Going on forward, this data is not just for one stock, it is available for all the stock and all the indexes. So you can go on Bank Nifty and even apply here seasonality chart, and you will see the movement of Bank Nifty as well. So this is the one feature we offer for equity traders. Second feature is financials. So basically we have noticed that many traders like to trade based on the fundamental and technical both, or also fundamental only and technical only. For technical, we provide TradingView chart, which is one of the best charts in right now in the world for trading in with the help of technical analysis. We provide all the tools available in the TradingView, and you can put n number of indicators. We do not restrict traders putting indicators. So this is the plus point you get. There is no limit to the indicator. You can put as many indicator you want to. Coming up next, what I was talking about is the financials. So once you click financials, you can see the fundamentals of the stock in one place. You don't need to go to other apps, search for the financial and then trade. You come here, you see the overview of this financials. You can see net profit, EPS, BVPS, ROE, NIM, everything. You can view it in the form of line or the bar chart. You can come here, you can see the income statement as well. You can see here, you can click here, you can see in the graph form as well. Quick reading is possible. Go to balance sheet to view all the balances, cash flow, ratios, all the ratios, important ratio in one click you will have it, and the shareholding patterns. Also the mutual fund scheme, FII holding, promoter holding, everything is there. So yes, basically you get all the data and the financials of the stock from one place. Moving forward, we have corporate action basically, which tells you the important announcement that has happened in these stocks and its date. So you can come and read about that thing in one click. And once you come here, you know the board meetings. Okay, quarterly result of Kotak Bank is on 4th November 2023. So that is done. Yeah. Dividends. Now you come here, you check the dividends of the stock when it's happening, when it's not happening. You can keep a track of it. You go to bonuses, splits, right, AGM meeting, etc. You'll get everything. Same, we offer this feature across all the stocks. So it is not for particular stocks, but for every stock. You can come here and click on pairs. You will find the competitors or the similar stocks that are trading in the market of what this script you have selected. So again, it gives you a good idea of scanning. You know, if I want to buy HDFC today, I will know, okay, these are the stocks competing in HDFC. And if something is cheaper compared to HDFC and fundamentally technically good, I can go for it. The beauty is you can click here in one click, it will be added to the watch list and you can directly trade from here. So again, going to other side, scanning stock, adding to watch list, placing an order is big trouble. But here you can do it just in few clicks. Moving forward, you have deals, bulk deal, block deal, insider, and etc. And news information, news about the stock and the information again. So in information, you can find all the necessary information, also including the websites of the company and the address, also the management name and position. Moving up forward, we can explore movers. So basically here again, what data you get in different site, you will have it in one place. So like top gainers, top losers, 52-week high, 52-week low, and not just for Nifty 50, but also sector wise you can select it. Like suppose mid cap 100 I want, I can go and I can click here, I can see which stock in mid cap 100 is giving 52-week high or 52-week low. Yeah. Now, second, in top gainers, we have wonderful future. Like in Nifty 50, I come and I click Nifty 50 and I go for like 5 year data. Now, I can see here that Adani Enterprises has given the most return in, 5 years in Nifty 50. But if I change it to all, so basically in all segment, what was the trend that was followed? In past 5 years, we can see that Patanjali has given 20,000 return. So 20,000% return. So basically, this gives you an overview of the stocks that are performing in the market, and with one click, again, you can just buy it out or you can add it to your watch list. Yeah, so it's that easy. So while placing an order, some people say that, okay, we want to see the market depth. Now clicking here and checking here and then coming placing order is quite a troublesome. And so we give the option depth option here as well. So with one click side by side, you can check the order and punch the order through. So this is a good thing. This is used for selling as well as buying. For the illiquid stock, mostly used, but yes, a useful feature for the traders who use limit orders. Again, this is not just for equity, you can also use it in derivatives, like getting the option OI data, like OI gainers. You come here, you click on the OI changes. I see today PNB having like 1,76,000 for, sorry, yeah, 1 crore 76 lakh 40,000 contract exchanged. So that's quite a number, And when we see this kind of OI changes in the data, we know, okay, stock is going through something. And you can just click on this stock here. You can go here, PNB, and you can see, okay, what is happening. You just come here, you can go to monthly chart or the weekly or the daily chart, and you can see what is the trend that stock is following. Any new changes, fundamentally or technically, you can look it up. So yeah, okay, I have already find one reason. So it depends upon the analysis. Okay, what is the, that data, why the data is there, and what can we use to, we can use it to or use it for. Basically helping, and if there is an opportunity in the market, you can just tap into that opportunity and take the benefit out of it. So this is the things, small things we have improved in our software. And before ending this, tutorial, I would just like to say that this software is not the, like other platform, other brokers. What they do is they hire some kind of software company or engineers. They tell them to build the software and that's it. The software company has built a trading terminal for you. But actually, that software guy or the company will not know the pain point of the traders, what traders require mostly, because that comes when trader trades in the market, correct? So out here in Trade Genie, we are the traders with the experience of 3 to 8 years, 5 years. Our owner, Mr. Kishore sir, he has been market like trading past 40 years now. So yeah, collective input of all, we have tried to eliminate the pinpoints and tried to make the execution faster. Like you can see here in 1 click or 2 clicks, you get the option change. So this is how we have tried to boil things down to the simplest level so that traders don't face any issue. And this will be wrong if we say that we have only built this platform. It will be absolutely wrong. The thing is, we talk to traders on the daily basis, like 10 or 20 traders on the daily basis. We talk to them. They also give a very good ideas and suggestion to us. So with the help of those ideas, we get those ideas. We try to talk it down to our management, telling that it's a good idea. We should implement it, and working around if that is a valid point, we will definitely implement it. So it is continuous development. It is not that the software has been completed and it is, it's done. It is never going to be updated. No, it's not that. It will continuously develop. The more easy we make for the traders, the better we feel. So every feature that is present here is because we want to make traders' life easy, trader life easy. And yeah, this is one thing. Now, last thing I would want to show you in this tutorial is that we offer two types of watch lists. One is predefined, where the Nifty 50 stocks and option stocks are present by default. You can toggle it off or toggle it on. That's up to you. User defined is basically what watch list you have created. So basically, if you create some watch list named 24 to 43, I create a watch list. It will get created. Now you can add the stocks to it. And there is no limit as of now to add a watch list. And you can even customize your watch list according to how it should look. So basically, I have selected this. You can go and select this kind of way of representing your watch list. So yeah, this was some features. Other small features include like you can view these things in other languages. The trading terminal is equipped for different regions. So it is equipped for Hindi, Kannada, and Marathi as of now. As our customer base increases national wide, we will inculcate all the languages possible, or the most of the languages that are common. We'll try to inculcate it. So these are the few features that we wanted to display over the tutorial. If there are specific issues or doubts that you have, you may connect to the concerned team who is with you right now. They will definitely help you. And if you wonder why these asterisk marks are coming here, so basically when I'm sharing my screen, we have given this feature. You can go here in settings and you can enable and disable the privacy mode. So basically in privacy mode, all your datas get asterisk marked so that they are not visible to other people. So this is one feature very comes very handy when you share your screen or record your screen. Yeah. So also your position gets hidden, and that is good, you know. So thank you for listening this tutorial till end. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much.